Vienna beef was started in 1893 at the Columbian Exposition/World's Fair. Vienna beef is located in Chicago, Illinois. The Vienna chili hot dog kit arrived on time and in excellent condition. The chili hot dog kit comes with the Vienna beef hot dogs, poppy seed hot dog buns, chili, sports peppers, Chicago-style relish, yellow mustard, and celery salt. The boiled version of the hot dog had a beefy flavor to it. The sports peppers were mildly hot. The relish was sweet and tangy. The mustard had your typical yellow mustard taste. The hot dog roll has a classic taste, but you don't really notice the flavor of the poppy seeds when eating it. Celery salt does add some additional flavor to the hot dog. Overall, a multiple taste experience. The broiled version of the hot dog has the same attributes as the boiled dogs, with the skin becoming somewhat crisp, and the beef flavor becoming even stronger. To cook, the hot dog was first cut in half and then grilled. The taste experience when compared to the other two cooking methods is similar, but the beef taste becomes more intense. Overall, no matter which prep method is used, when you bite into the hot dog, you get an explosion of the different flavors in your mouth. The Chicago-style hot dog was created during the Great Depression by streetcar hot dog vendors. To create the classic Chicago-style dog, you would have to also add a dill pickle spear, chopped onions, and tomato chunks. Additionally, the longer the chili stays in the refrigerator, the more intense it becomes in flavor. The kit creates a chili hot dog with a wide array of flavors and a tasty meal.